footage shows heavy hail hitting the streets of Abha in Asir province, Saudi Arabia, March 31, 2024. The intensity of the hail was high and damaged roofs and cars.
45 شوف حتى سطحه وين مغرزه شيء عظيم. طبعا انا استاذنت منها اصوره.
جميع ما شاء الله تبارك الله. هذا أبها المنسك اليوم 21/9.
Hail is rare in the region, leaving residents surprised and puzzled by the sudden occurrence.
اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد. شوفوا كيف الحالة الضخمة اليوم هذه في النماص.
Authorities quickly took emergency measures to mitigate the effect of the hail and ensure the safety of the population.
تخش نايف وين رايحة نايف؟
After the cyclone passed, warming and flooding followed. The streets were covered with a layer of water. Unexpected weather conditions serve as a stark reminder of the unpredictability of weather conditions, prompting the public to remain vigilant and prepare for the future disturbances.
اوه يا ربي اوه يا ربي. خش البيت خش حاول تخش.